are you today? It's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today I have this box that I have not had on my channel in forever, and to be honest, I kind of missed it. But maybe it'll help me feel better. I am going to be having surgery tomorrow, so I'm making a bunch of videos so that I have something to do while I'm laid up in bed after tomorrow. Okay. So the box is Stitch Fix, as you saw in the little thumbnail picture, and this is a really tiny box. I've never had one that was this thin before. Like, there's my hand. But I did ask for pretty much t-shirts, I think. That's what I'm needing. I wear jeans to work, and I'm gonna be wearing, you know, like those running shorts type of things. Something without, you know, what is that thing called? A button. Without a button for a while, if I have to get cut open. So, anyways. Alright, Stitch Fix is, of course, a $20 styling fee. I hope I have that right, because I haven't gotten one in a while. But it's a $20 styling fee. I wish I got the Style Pass, because if I had the Style Pass, then I would get one every month, because you would only pay $49, I think, for the whole year. And you can get as many boxes as you want. And the $20 really doesn't sway me one way or the other. I was just getting to where I did not need any more, like, winter clothes. So I think you get to that point where you just don't need any more for that season. But now it's a new season, and I need a little bit of retail therapy to help me feel better. Alright, so I'm going to get my handy dandy scissors here. Let me know in the comments what your summer plans are. I had summer plans to go to Tennessee and then spend a couple of days at the beach, but since I'm going to be out of work for a while, that's not going to happen. Okay, so I'm going to open it up and we're going to see together what is in my Stitch Fix box. Alright. So, it's a pretty little box there. I got my mailer, and then you get this little paperwork right there. And the box is really pretty inside, and I actually use this box for other things, for packaging, and I think it's pretty. Alright, so let's take out this little bundle. That's what it's looking like. It is a little heavy, so maybe that's a pair of shorts, even though I might not be able to wear them. Alright, so let's see what we've got here. I love that they always wrap stuff in tissue paper. I always think that's a nice touch. It keeps anything from getting on your clothes if, you know, the packaging or box was to get wet. I know, that's loud, isn't it? I'm sorry. Alright, so let's take the little burrito off. We'll set that down. And when I flip it over, I do have a pair of shorts. I think I did ask for one pair of shorts. So these are really thin. They're cute. They have the distressing right here. She sent them in a size 31. And they're by Studio Blue. Wash Code Red, Road to Joy. So, and they are like a, you know, they're pretty short. The inseam here is pretty short. I'm gonna try these on off camera. I'm not gonna do like I normally do, where I try them on and show you what everything looks like, probably, you know, because it's just, I'm in too much pain to go through all that, so I'm having to do my videos in parts. So even though you're only gonna see it as one. Alright, so then here's the rest of what I've got. Some really pretty colors. Let's see what this is. This is heavy. This is by Kylie, I think. A size large petite. And, oh, it's a jumpsuit. So I did ask for a one-piece jumpsuit. I hope that this is a nice price. I'm hoping that I can try these all on for y'all, because this is a petite, and I have not seen a petite jumpsuit at any stores that I've been to, like TJ Maxx or Marshalls. They're always so long, so maybe I can try to try them. Try to try them on? Does that even make sense? Try to try them on for you. We'll see. Then this is a basic black and white striped tee. It has like the little crisscross in the back there. Fabric is really nice. And it is by, I don't know. Oh, Colette. That's cute. Then we have looks like a cold shoulder top. I know I always put it like in front of my face, like I hide myself. But anyways, it looks like a cold shoulder. It's very rough, like, you know, grandma's blouses used to be. So I do not like the texture of that at all. So I'll have to see how I feel about it next to my skin. But I do like the pattern. I think the pattern is pretty. It is also by Kylie. And it's a Valette cold shoulder blouse in mustard. And then last but not least, I have this one. This one is really pretty. I love the pattern on that. Very nice and summery. Sleeveless. Goes up, looks like, towards the neck. And it's by Paper Moon. And I do like Paper Moon products. Alright, so I am, even though, alright, that just came off, but oh well. I'm not keeping it, whether the tag came off or not. I am going to see how I feel and see if I can get this stuff tried on and show you, okay? Alright, tee with the shorts. I think the shorts are very comfy. They're a little tight on the booty, but that's because girl's just been eating whatever she wants lately. And this is the top. It's got, hopefully you can see the back. It's crisscrossed there. So there we go. There is the first outfit. I'll just leave the shorts on and go put on the next shirt. Okay, this one, I did not change my bra, so we're all ladies here, mostly probably watching this video, so everybody's seen a bra before. But I just don't feel like it. But exactly what I thought, it is very scratchy, so I know I'm not going to keep this one. But I hate that because the print is pretty, but I don't like the scratchiness of it. Too bad. Okay, once again, I did not take off my bra, but I really like this top. I think it's really pretty. I really like the feel of it, and when I go back and watch it, I'll have to look and make sure. You know, I'm pretty big chested up here, so I'll have to see what it looks like, but from what I can see in the viewfinder, it doesn't look that bad. I love the print too. And it's got this little like hole right here, like, you know, keyhole. Is that what they call it? Keyhole, peekaboo, whatever. But it is cute. All right, the last thing to try on is the jumpsuit. All right, the last thing is the jumpsuit. I like the top. I like the way it feels. Look, it has pockets. I hope I can stand back far enough for y'all can see. It is pretty long. Pretty long on me. I mean, I know you can't see that because I don't have anybody to hold the camera to be able to show you, but it is long, but I still really like it. Here's the back of it. You can see. Probably my bra too. But it is cute. I like the way it feels. Hopefully it's not like $100 or something, because I just can't. I'll have a big medical bill to pay for, and yeah. So hopefully let's go and see how much all this stuff is. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I know you know which probably are my favorites and which are not. And to be honest, the only one that I took the time to walk up the stairs to see was the jumpsuit, because I just had to know what it looked like. And the others I can just throw back on really quick when I go upstairs to bed. But anyways, let's find this. If I didn't say, I think I told you it was a $20 styling fee, but it might be $25. But let's look at the note here. I think I did ask not to have like an extreme amount of money, because I'm a mom on a budget and I'm fixing to be grandma. Okay, so my stylist is Erin, and it says, "Hi Miranda, happy Fix Day. I'm so glad to have the chance to style you again. How are you doing? I'm sorry to see that you didn't fall in love with any of the pieces in your last box. Thank you so much for letting me know what you're looking for this month. I took another look through your profile and Pinterest board, and I'm confident that something in this box will make you smile." And it did. Dig in and have some fun. I started with a lovely Kylie Adelia knit jumpsuit. What do you think of this style? Since you also requested shorts, I added the affordable Studio Blue Cadence distressed denim shorts for creating so many casual looks. I noticed lots of striped pieces on your Pinterest board and thought you'd love the Colette black back detail knit top to pair with shorts or jeans. And I can't wait to hear from you, Miranda. All the best, Erin. And then it comes with all these, different ways that you can style everything. So really cute. Okay. Then here is all the business. This is the part that I don't like to look at, because if there are things in here that I really love and they're really expensive, then I can't keep them. Okay. $20 is the style credit. Shut the front door. Okay. All right. The back detail knit top, $34. The cold shoulder blouse is this one, and it is $38. This one is the halter, it's $38. The shorts are $38, and the Kylie jumpsuit is $58. $58. I'm actually really excited about this box. The only thing that I'll have to look at the money about is I really don't like this. I don't like the feel of it, and I will not wear it. But if you get a 25% discount if you keep everything. So in order to get, it might be more expensive for me to buy the 4 items than the 5. And if that's the case, then I'll just list this on Mercari or something and try to sell it. So we'll have to see if Mike lets me keep all these things, because I really like most of them, and it's things that I need. And I probably wouldn't have to have many more, except for like lazy day t-shirts. I won't have to have any more. I won't have to have another pair of shorts. That'll do me for the summer. So maybe I can talk him into it. Y'all put in the comments, say, let her keep it. If you liked everything, then yes, put in the comments what you think I should keep, of course. And then if you like everything, then tell Mike to spoil his wife, since she's laid up on the couch and she's really, really sad because she can't go to work or whatever. Something. Talk him into it. That's your job. That's your homework, to talk him into letting me keep it all. Okay? All right. I hope everybody has a lovely day. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 350 is my next big goal. That's just 20 more. Well, 22 more as of filming this. All right. Enough rambling. See you later. Bye.